Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will look at how to create a line graph in Tableau Desktop Public Edition. First, you will need to open Tableau Desktop Public Edition. Once it is opened, in a landing page, we're going to read in a data set. So after your data set has been loaded, there will be a new tab created in the bottom panel called Sheet 1. What I'm going to do now is first load in my data set. So I'm going to be using the Uber Fares data set. And I'm just going to drag and drop the Uber Fares dataset into the open area in the middle. Tableau will then read in this dataset, and as we can see here, it's created a new orange tab called Sheet 1. We'll click on this, and it'll take us to Sheet 1. So initially, it's an empty worksheet. What I'm going to do first is change the pickup date time column to the data type date and time. So I'm going to click on this dropdown, go to the option Change Data Type, and then click on the option Date and Time. This then changes the pickup date time to the data type date and time. And then I'm going to drag pickup date time to columns and drag the field passenger count to rows. Drag and release. And this here is how we can create a line graph in Tableau Desktop Public Edition, which is showing us the trend across time and the passenger count for each year. So there's a very sharp drop from 2014 to 2015. Comment below, why do you think that is? What could be some of the potential causes for this drop in passenger count from one year to the next? And this is how you can create a line graph in Tableau Desktop Public Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.